Yes, adofo me ma wakwaba. And then your first time I message also be subscribe to this YouTube channel. Minia, I found several notification bell no so no na bebo ama won sa kan update be latest update be a sabe can be a message also be share. And no and e be reach afofro so ama mo hu eye ne ekoso e wo Express GH TV. Abranti I first chance ni ama Mensa Junior Shatawale eye Ghanaian dancer artist. Abranti Edina no ababeto eye face the country hu ensensem a ekoso e wo man mu ha. Na eno enam so amakrofo bi so attacking a personal enye asem kuma. Na question and answer mi say ekoso ne say the Shatawale area tie na nsem a oka no eye bone and I say papa. At the end of say Express GTV ye betwe say no money nyina mu details no ye be hu sempo de Shatawale kan ye no na ke hu kwan say woka and I say ne Shatawale kan ye no de eno ano no etie sha ase Shatawale ekwo ono akasa ne Facebook page ena okotworo sa antworo ye wei edi egu ho abra na post bi ababonte say Kakes Medes 2 shot dead, 4th injured as youth clash with police at Ejura. Ena Shatawale so babonte betworo say rape to the Ejura victims. Ena this some assume emojis be edigu ho. Is this what we want to see before they can face the country and atimamufo no we na yepese ehu say ye kunkunkunkun yansa na mpanifo no afix that country na eno ena Shatawale peso kire say that be entwa ye because at the end of everything bia no e was say wo hwe ehunu say wo kra e ya ade ehia because wo life eno ade a wunya because what you are fighting for ni nyina you are fighting for your life say na be ya wo kra so hu beto no na say we ekowie owuo dia then it tells you say nothing you get and our kind sa enam sa hashtag means 20 Emma Shatawale so esa koso e kotworo say so edit to say educated fools and disappointed graduates saying fix the country, fix yourself, cheap thinkers. If Shatawale take one can many pa bakufu because yensema what biem because yen education for nana 4 more for 4 more for 4 more for 2 more for whatever and ye through massive support editors ankrofo na chi because nim say omoba e de yen abesia konkomba yes and Shatawale esa so eto aso e kan sansem we say do you think Ghana can be like abroad tomorrow Charlie? By the time this country gets fixed, maybe we all know this and so love and live your life now. Don't behave like a soldier. You didn't come to the world for this. Be careful what you are saying. Sometimes, you know, fix the country. At the end, they be say country in the perfect. So then, po be ye ni asase. So then, no chile say my young fighting for shatter. If say yen be class at time ni asase so we need to fight for. So if we are fighting now. Shatawale say yakono emanen kwaye yensa tokwa because we are not a soldier. Ya massa so purposely for entokwa na emum ye ba say e ba bebo bra se ne be ya nchirima so ebetimi ahu ne ekoso ti say kwa me kroma mo amfa sekane ade ankonde am ene etasu say ye tokwa no e wo say eye ideological fight ideas exchange words by what voice na emum enkokwa ye ntokwa amankrofo ebefo mo wo say na kaka ene ne nkrofo bi awunom eno ene na Shatawale pese wo kire no if say Ghana be face at that time na any we say that does not mean say am I fighting for nenso we say we are not soldier because say ya be say a soldier there ye twa nim say sanoma we are na be there ye be hu because soldier there say wo ko entokwa ni mu a things like this ebetimi ya happen what to you and our kind sir what was we can say bebre Shatawale is saying, was saying, we are all suffering, but you have just told yourself somebody has to feed you before you can move in life. My guy, forget you thinking cause my thinking to make and be different. God first. And all this answer everybody. What was so I can same way. If you say the president is not working, you know his house, go there, and they hear they work. Ask yourself what you did before sleeping beauties. Shatawale if say government no enye adwuma na no enkyere say yenom yenko ni fie ene yan kan kwan yan krofo bi be fa so criticize na ne say omo so betre social media na komai demonstration e de etia eye president ne so de etia ne say Chetawale so obisa wo question o enne wo ba beda no e de ade pa na wo abrabo mu ye yansa na wo ba beda de munim say wada na wa kata wani fresh one wa kata wani CP beauties ena munim opa hye say Ghana fo binum eye kwadwofo instead so on be ye adwuma no they are not going to work until at the end no what the eye ne how ne na man nyina ni brains e de babegu eye government no so ena say we so ene ne na opese wa ye den what chere what say if you say the president is not working eno ana what say I know what I tell my fans and I know what I tell bitches who don't learn sense. Any foolish comment is not coming from any of my fans. Together, Shatter Movement, we rise from all these slow thinkers. Ni understand was syncrophobia to say Chetawale making statement meeting the real fans no ebetimi afri eye ne nche was in there be wonim kwan ofa so ene the fans for no ekasa ena wonim kwan ofa so ene bitches for no so ye den ekasa was the real fans for no ye lawyer eti ono di obeka bia no wonim die omu fili eno onim omu stand enti wonim se ne oka ni nyina no ni active fans for ne de ayo omo de no mani so che ho se ono Chetawale as their SM president no ebe make statement bi it is enti ne mo bi dwen ho se obe hwere the fans because the fans for no active. Boys and girls they hustle online to make you there concentrate on politicians. Go listen to Bob Marley and Lucky Dube. Opache said the moment now with the wani ebe to politicians for some more and a bit me abuano. Satam na we shall say fairly here because they have nothing to help you. They have nothing. The politicians that you know them, the NDC and the MPP now, you will think say NDC they no mo ye nyurafita mo ye say these people have nothing to help you. Share the MPP for abeye turuka senkruma. What you say was they have nothing to help you. And they are then a young free papa friends are called for adonche. Yet sika ni adia but Chetawale in some more canon. Nyansa wom. If you think say these politicians are going to help you there, and you say 1 year what they say open brabia bo. And you call na go tie Lucky Dube. What you say different colors. Ko na go tie Bob Marley. They will motivate you to understand say men ya what they say. Politicians for any betimi aboa and this MPP was it there be these people are not going to help you because they have nothing to help you. It's so person will live your life now the wife we need there they told MPP and DC CPP near the idea was you have a long way to go when so any Chetawale in the future mu e back at the end or twice we say or say dear God, your children are so much into politics, so please deliver them, show them your way. Ni nyina say o susu say ni susu yemu no hu say enkrofo bebre agina saade we mu dendenden. Enye fight a wo fight e dia ma ni yie di remom eye fight a wo fight say ne be ya da achi akwama bi no next 4 years bi no ebe pavy way e dia ma enkrofo bi because nyoma enkrofo bi yes saade we say wo kwama wo man Ghana na dwimuni ni tripom ni yesa enete na emom oko e dia masam political party bi send e be ya ebetimi apave way because when am social media and because of what Akufo-Addo is doing in there he tells you say 2014 is for Mahama. He tells you say people like that they don't think Mahama Akufo-Addo the same thing and there is nothing has changed between them and then I change the same peoples, the same ideas, the same knowledge. And just ni ama message junior peoples like this, peoples like Nkrofobi wa be say omo ku gidi they are meant into the politics and they are doing this because of some political interest bi and yes say wo kun wa yi na kuma bi so pese wo kun to the stance enti Chetawale say listen ni nyina no say wo bobo ano a we are not going to fight for some people's fathers yo to we are not going to fight for Akufo-Addo his excellency and the former president of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, me born in the church say in 2024 no and Obama NDC and 2024 the Obama MPP there ye nim empo ensan so anya dan emfa ye hune so ye na ye saade we ya no 2024 ube hu say ya na ebe ye campaign ne abobro ye nuanom minu akasa o CPP na me bono minu akasa o PPP na we are fighting against ourselves because ye pese ye pia adwuma e de makrofo bi ye say ye adwuma no omo a this are the way a omo san so e de ye be den ebefa so we so ni setawala afutu a wode aba ye ode abra ye afutuo no ni nyina ne se setawale eje wo kra e de afri asamado because kaka wawu nipa tu bi awu aka ho setere so a for na omoya injury no omu problem omu problem eno na setawale say dabi enye sa akwa we na wo befa so ayeden yeah, because and yes, and I will cry and say maybe we are because of purposely for this, because you are not a soldier. So if you think you are a soldier, yeah, and you say no more way you because a soldier there you nim. Yeah, but there's funny be no me a soldier for more or more. So what you say? So if you think you are going to fight and what the one more brand and I go fighting there, and you either say Obeba and I say Woma. Now, so we be so we criticizing in another because you say that we shall say phone so fix the country. Me nim the etia. Etimi akwa we say ya macrophobia hwehwe o mo nkwa ebinom enka as for nenso me sure nim say o man Ghana de ye say that shebres safo eni otwedi apọ kwa ambasa yi adom yankopon odom akoma yankopon ento nsuo isupa efangu o man Ghana so na ye youthfo na eba no e ma ye yen say ye panifo no nenso ahwe kura ye youthfo no ye betwe ye panifo no me na make a kirawo wo pa me ye ma opportunity bi na youth bi benya akwanya bi yes anoman the same thing na wo kwatira konya no so ye sa su ni sa ban na wo ba beda na di nenso ni nyina mu no God wins. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so unya ya sa moves na notification bell no fa sa boss ma me mia so say fe ebeboa ama wo sa kan na update bia wo sa kan video bia mesra wo sa obe share comment in the form of atenatene so ya na here papa me nua ma me na wase na me ntwa wo kru se na ye be share bia makraw.